self energy. The basic definition, first we'll define. What it is: work done by an external agent in constructing a system of mass m. Work done by an external agent in constructing a system of mass m that will become self energy of the system. And where do it available? It will be available in and around the body. And what all this work done? Work done means like I will do some work, no? And where it will go? It will be available as the gravitational field energy. So since we don't have any idea of the lines of force or gravitation energy density, so I'll just stop it here only. I think if you check it, no, some books they're given gravitational field. Even I also drew some lines of force, but we should not draw. Till now, we don't have an exact picture about the gravitational lines of force. No, so we don't have anything called like a gravitation energy density. Any reason for that? Why it is? Suppose say it's my view. I don't know what others think. Suppose say there's a object is there. This one. So now, can I nullify this the gravity by accelerating this? A pseudo force will come. So what is it now? Force acting on this object here now. If ma equal to mg, then shall I say that the net force will be 0? Of course, the tension will act, or let me put it like this here. mg will act n. Let the lift accelerate down. Then if a equal to g, what will happen to effect of mg? Will be nullified, no? And there won't be normal contact. So in which frame? This person says that there is no weight. And the person in the ground, what will come in that one? What be equations? mg minus n equal to ma. So since a equal to g, so therefore n equal to 0. So shall I say this ma is nullifying this effect of mg? If the really gravitational force were fundamental force, if this were really fundamental force, it should never get nullified, no? This is what my view. So I may not say it's like some sort of like a fundamental force, not like electromagnetic force. Some are of this view. Huh? I think maybe we have to wait for further research to really conclude this particular thing. So what is mg minus a will become effective weight here. So by making a equal to 0, so in one frame, what happened? It will may not exist. mg is acting, they'll be nullified here. So if it were fundamental, it should not get nullified. That's what actually what we say, like Coulomb force will not get nullified. Electromagnetic force will not get nullified here. Gravitational force can get nullified. So this is one of the claims they're telling. So there's nothing called like a gravitational force. It is some all depends upon situation. Don't call it a fundamental force, some are saying. Nothing wrong, because when they enter into non-initial frame, no, they come across situation of like this. Okay, anyway, like still under gravitational lines of force, magnetic like gravitation energy density, all these are let's not bother because we don't have any suitable information. So I'm just going to list out things. Gravitation energy density, gravitation lines of force. So these things should not be there. If you look at the most of the best books, no, they'll try to avoid discussion on these things. But I don't know what happened to our most of the books in India. They're going for this also. See, when scientific world has not accepted, you're not supposed to bring your own ideas, no, which is not verified by anybody. Try to avoid discussion anything on these things, because we don't have any firm conclusion. So I'll just proceed keeping these two away from our discussion. Okay, fine. Because see, we have to follow certain scientific rules. So you also don't read any material because we don't have any firm conclusion. Just leave this two. Okay, now work done by extravagant in constructing a system of mass m. Where do this work done by extravagant will go? Means, let's ask that one. We will construct a building. Who will construct that building? Don't say I have constructed. You have paid money. Who will construct? The workers, no. So they have constructed a building. This is a house. No. From where this house has come, somewhere the material sand will be available here, and that will be picked up. Who will do work? The workers, no. So work the exchange into what happened now will be available as self energy of this building. So you may find this difficult. I think when you make chapati, I think you take wheat flour. No, what is the wheat flour? Will be available like this. Then you will make it dough. No, then when you roll it, you'll get a chapati. Am I right? Now, to make this dough, what happen? You're supposed to do work, no? Or just by you look at the wheat flour and you'll get dough and it'll become chapati. It's not like this, no? Chapati spelling. Okay, yeah. Will it become like this? So wheat flour is there. What you should do? You should pour water, and then you have to mix it up. Then you have to roll everything. That one minimum 5-10 minutes. If you don't spend energy, what happen will not be available. So to make a dough from wheat flour, what happen? We are supposed to do work, no? I did work. No, what all I did mechanical work that is available as self energy. And where it is available, where all the field strength is non-zero, there the energy will be available. Where all the gravitational field strength is non-zero, there energy available. So where all gravitational field is there inside as well as outside. So where this self energy will be available, it will be spreaded inside and also outside till where till infinity. Means what all we did work, it is available in total universe. Shall I put like this? It is available inside this dough of radius r, and also what happened till infinity. It's available. So this yellow color is now what you can say gravitational field energy. What all you did work, it will get spread everywhere like this till where till infinity. I think try to imagine. So very. So what is this? What I should call field. The field will be present also inside, no? So in this yellow color is what now? The self energy of this particular dough. We are supposed to calculate that self energy of different shaped objects. Let's see that the mathematics to what shapes it will permit to calculate. Getting the idea? This one. So now the house in which you are living now. Tell me like from how it has come. The workers, what happened? They have spent their mechanical energy. Their mechanical energy now what happened got converted into self energy, and because of that, the house is surviving. Okay, let's start with the first self energy of a shell.